Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add an analog clock widget to the home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to take you back to your home screen. Then on the home screen you want to touch and hold. Then tap on widgets at the bottom. Next you want to tap on the clock folder, and in here we're going to swipe across and then tap on the clock, on the analog clock. So you want to either tap on the add button, or you can touch and hold and then drag it out onto your home screen. So again, I'm going to go into widgets, then tap on the clock folder and swipe across to find analog clock, and you can tap on the add button or drag it out. And if you going to tap on the add button, it basically go to the last home screen page. Now you can touch and hold to the widget, and then you can move it to your other screens if you wanted to. And you can also resize your widget depending on the screen space available for you to resize. You can see I can try to resize this widget to make it larger. And I think this is as large as it can get. And that's it. So that's how you can change your widget. Now you can touch and hold onto the widget and then tap on settings. In settings you can change the background of your widget. You can change the clock style. So there are a few clock styles that you can change. And you can change the transparency of the clock. You can change, you also can turn on or turn off match with dark mode. And that's it. And then just simply tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's how you can add a clock widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.